go. Time to pick up.
Go.
Oh.
All right, you do your job, I'll do my job.
Okay, what's my job? Oh, chairs, yeah.
Yeah, do the chairs. I'm doing the tent. I'm putting the tent and the tarp that goes under the tent in those panniers.
I know, but look at how much faster I'm moving than you are.
I know, but you just took that table right from in front of me.
Well, you were doing
There
things
was
with
one of the
it.
llama buckets I put away. The dog is bored. She's just laying there.
She's dead.
Like, oh man, they're just, what are they doing?
Taking forever.
So we got the kitchen stuff in the red panniers. We got tent stuff in the brown panniers. And now I've got to pick up these panniers a million times, weighing them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right?
Yeah.
It's like I get all the exercise. Notice who doesn't pick up a pannier a single time. That would be Janice.
Hey, I'm taking care of the llamas.
Those things weigh like 35, 40 pounds
Oh,
a
you
piece.
poor thing.
Look at me lifting up.
Maybe you should get a gym membership to help you.
My back hurts just watching this. The duck got her
drink?
water and I poured it out.
Poor thing.
Yep. Okay, good. Oh, I got the brown ones buckled up. That's good.
All right, I'm getting the llamas all together. Got some saddles
there's
going
Tanner.
on.
Tanner's out there. Oh, putting the saddle on Tanner.
Yep.
Okay, get that cinched. Man, it's fast. Those are fast saddles.
Oh, yeah,
Getting the
those are
panniers
very
on 'em.
handy.
Right? Okay, now you're doing Ellsworth.
Yep, he kind of moves
Oh,
around a little bit.
Tanner's like, all right, I'm just going to lay down while you guys are going.
You
Oh,
guys-
no, I got to eat some more mesquite tree.
He thinks we're taking too long.
Okay.
But look how fast we are.
Yeah, so I'm over there struggling with Emery. Okay,
Yeah.
thanks for coming over to help me.
You're welcome.
All right.
All right.
Ellsworth is like getting tied up around the tree.
Oh, Ruby's getting excited. Oh,
Yeah,
no.
She can tell we're getting ready to go.
Yeah. Oh, look at she's very excited now.
She knows when all the
Look at
panniers
that
are gone.
tail. Oh my
Man,
gosh.
so much that hurts.
I know.
Pack on. I got to check my GPS, get that turned on.
Oh yeah. What
Get
you
the
offered
llamas
to
all
do?
strung together.
Yep. All right.
Okay.
Now we're gonna head out of camp.
Wait, you're going the wrong way.
Oh, what? What do you mean?
Nope, come
Not
back,
that
come
way?
back.
Oh.
Oh, you forgot point that way.
Okay.
There we go.
Out of here. Woo.